तो दोस्तों चलिए इस वीडियो में से एक मॉक टेस्ट सॉल्व करते हैं मेमोरी बेस्ड एसवीपीओ का। ठीक है, टेस्ट 2 पे करने जा रहा हूँ मैं ये। आप लोगों को देना हो तो आप लोग जगह दे सकते हैं। ठीक है, अगर आपको मॉक के सॉल्यूशन चाहिए तो वो भी मुझे बता दीजिए, वो भी करवा दूंगा आपको। मेमोरी बेस्ड वाले सवाल ये देंगे 4 अगस्त की सेकंड शिफ्ट का। ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम इंग्लिश करेंगे, देन मैथ करेंगे, देन रीजनिंग करेंगे। मैं आपको कुछ एक्सप्लेनेशन तो आंसर का नहीं कर पाऊंगा बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ टाइम। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Get 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep for healing and restoring your body's balance during sound sleep. Get 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep for healing and restoring body's balance during sound asleep. इसमें तो कुछ एरर लग नहीं रही है। 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep for healing and restoring your body's balance during sound asleep. Children are our future, and unless they relish millets, there can't be no future for those ancient grains. And until they relish millets, there can't be no future. There can't be for the ancient grains. Unless they relish millets, there can't be no future. There can't be future for there can be no future for those ancient grains. ये होना चाहिए. By the time he will finish his PhD in astrophysics, he will have been studying celestial phenomena for a decade. By the time he finishes, young characters are very open, not focused only on the canvas, but are curious about what they choose to own. Not only otherwise, but also curious. The Indian Psychiatric Society reported 20% increase of mental illness within 1 week of the lockdown. In mental illness आना चाहिए था. I am particular about where the ingredients are sourced from, how freshly they are, and their flavor. I am particular about where the ingredients are sourced from, how freshly they are, and their flavor. The word while little was known about the virus, then civic authorities across the country were faced with the mammoth task of ensuring social distancing. Little was authority while little was authority about the virus, then civic known no arrangement. While little was known about the virus, then civic authorities across the country faced them. A key concern about the Indian economy in the last few months has been inflation, which has been constantly above the monetary policy target of 4%. A key concern about the Indian monetary economy, no region metropolitan, which has been consistently above the monetary policy. Four options. Archaeological investigations carried out in 2006 were probably that the hard surface track in medieval determined that the hard track surface in medieval India was probably laid during the late. A archaeological investigation carried out in 2006 determined that the hard surface track is medieval in date and was probably laid during the CAB. ठीक है, so CAB. In India, a depository participant is described as an agent of the depository. They are the dash between the depository and the investigator. The agent of the depository. They are the intermediaries. Arrangement is subordinate customers. Intermediaries between the depository and the investigator. The relationship between the DP and the depository is dashed by an agreement made between the took under the Depository Act is governed by an agreement, encouraging governed between the two and the depository. In a strictly legal sense, a DP is an entity who is dashed as such with SEBI and the SEBI Act. In a strictly legal sense, a DP is an entity who is registered as such with SBI under the SBI. Purchased नहीं है, adjusted, appreciated, abrupt, registered as such with SBI under the SBI Act. As per the provisions of this Act, a DP can offer depository relatively related tax only after tax with depository related services only. Suggestion request services by depository related services only. After dash a certificate of registration from after obtaining a certificate of registration from SBI SEBI. Depository dash with its investigators through its agents called depository participant. Depository interacts with its investors. No matter how rigorous he was in his date, the woman would not agree to pursue him. No matter how rigorous he was in his date, the woman would not agree to pursue him. तो बी और डी का कुछ लग रहा है क्या? ए और डी, हाउ डेट ही वॉज इन हिज परस्यूट. Rigorous he was in his pursuit. No one would not date agree to date him. Agreed would not agree to date him. No matter how rigorous he was in his pursuit, the woman would not agree. No change required. How pursuit he was in his. The unwary woman robbed never worried about. The name unwary woman naively never worried about negating when she walked alone at night. The unwary woman robbed. The unwary woman naively never worried about getting robbed when she walked alone at night. बी और डी को चेंज कर दो भाई. Shocked by her husband's betrayal, the heartbroken woman couldn't believe that the man she affair had been having a year-long trusted. Shocked by her husband's betrayal, heartbroken woman couldn't believe that the man she trusted has been having a long year affair. तो सी और डी को चेंज कर दो भाई. The jury motive directed the attorney's conjecture about the defendant's motive because of a lack of evidence. The jury directed the C से करो भाई. Attorney's conjecture about the defendant's motive because of a lack of confidence. A और C को कर दो भाई. My lawyer made a sway to the judge as to why my sentence was unfair and unjust. But unfortunately, it did not appeal the man. My lawyer made an appeal to the judge as to why it did not sway the man. A और D को कर दो भाई. Not sway the man. Such a mechanism would help both farmers and private buyers, as it will bring about transparency and accountability in the farm trade. Bring about आएगा. As it will bring as it will brought in transparency and accountability in the farm trade. Police crack up the area, massed around the area, including the parliament building, after a suspect package was noticed nearby, according to the police officer. Police cordoned off the area, massed around the area. Massed around the area. I am going to give in the new. I am going to try out the new outfit my brother has sent for me. According to Percy, what is the primary objective of the company? Harmony and innovations. ठीक है. What role did Sarah play in the development of the outbreaking device? अब वाइसिंग कर ले हो. What role did Sarah play in the development of the groundbreaking device? How did the device translate music to be? How did the device translate music to be understood by deaf people? What happened during the suspicious event organized by Harmony Innovations? One is correct. So what will fit in the blank ticket from the passage? The essence of the bold, courageous, to direct in the context. Meaning to essence, as used in this essence, stability, core, crux. So, in a small town nestled in the hills, a company called Harmony Innovation was making waves in the world of technology known for their bold initiatives. They were dedicated to creating devices that improve the lives of people with disabilities. They embarked on an ambitious project aimed at helping these people having disability experience the joy of music. The engineers and designers at Harmony Innovation joined forces to develop a groundbreaking device. This was not just another hearing aid. It was an innovative object translated music into sign language. The essence of their invention lay in its ability to capture the emotions and nuances of music and convert them into dash deaf people could understand. These signals would then be transmitted to a pair of specially designed gloves that the user would wear. The interior part of the project was Sarah, a talented engineer who was deaf herself. Sarah's personal experience and insights added invaluable depth to the project. She understood the profound impact that music could have and was determined to continue researching to others who shared this challenge. Sarah worked tirelessly to ensure that the device could convey the rhythm, melody, and harmony of the music in a way that resonated deeply with the user. As the project in progress, the team faced numerous hurdles. Converting the essence of music into sign language was no small feat. They had to ensure that the device could direct the gloves to interpret the different elements of music accurately. The gloves were equipped with haptic systems that created vibrations corresponding to the beat and flow of the music, while LED lights provided visual cues that matched the rhythm and notes. After months of hard work and with perseverance, the device was ready for testing. The company headquarters was with us. Corresponding to build hearing aids to creating devices that improve the lives of people with disabilities. To create building aids, do have what is the help in the grade 1 key program and added that plus your using control valuable personal insights on research. How did the device assume to understand by deaf people? To be listeners and haptic feedback. Yes. What happened during the special event organized by Harmonia Innovation? The team mentioned how the club worked with Beethoven Symphony number 9. What was the same character club of Kermit and communication system evaluation clubs correspond to a beat and flow of music. Harder club science plan of the project. A and B. God will fit in the blank. The essence of the invention. फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग के बारे में कहाँ बात हुई है? The essence of the invention lay in its ability to capture the emotion and nuances of music and convert them into auditory, visual, electronic pulses, visual signals. No small feat. Sign language, using auditory signals. Sign language, and convert them into dash that people could understand. Visual signals. And the most important part of the harmony innovation, the future of consumer electronics. Hearing aids, giving life to music to life for the deaf. The future of consumer electronics नहीं है modern India hearing aids for the deaf. You're basically a deaf player. Music के बारे में चलिए पूरे गाने में. Sense, triviality, core, substance, nature, crux, direct. Incessant, लगातार. Dog's incessant barking kept the neighbors awake all night. She felt an incessant gratitude towards those who helped her. The music took a brief pause before continuing incessant performance. A and C. Only A. Incessant, लगातार. Incessant performance. Break. She decided to take a short break. After to take a short break, the class will break. So it's a major break in their study. Break in their studies, that led to new ideas. Sentence. ठीक है. So ठीक है. The Big Bang theory became a cornerstone to modern cosmology, popular culture, often portrayed as a definitive explanation of the universe's birth. This theory revolutionized our understanding of the universe and suggested that evidence of its origin could potentially be discovered. Lemaitre proposed that the universe began with a rapid burst of energy, a theory origin now commonly referred to as the Big Bang theory. They had conclusively proving the beginning of time and effective complexity of understanding the universe's origin. What's origin of the universe appears elsewhere within various scholars advocating divine creation and the test eternal past. However, the outside system is of whether behind the estimated time period with the Big Bang. So C के बाद ही आएगा. मतलब बिग बैंग थ्योरी. Cornerstone C के बाद E है. This is only to understanding of the universe and such that will discovered. B A. D. B. C. E. एफ ए, सो डी आ गया। सेकंड सेंटेंस आफ्टर अरेंजमेंट बी, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस डी, सिक्स सेंटेंस 2 4 6 ए, फोर्थ ई, फिफ्थ एफ। ठीक है, सो भाई अपना जल्दी जल्दी कर दिया है। अब मैथ स्टार्ट हो गई। यू कैन बी एक्स्ट्रा 5 डेज बी एंड एक्स्ट्रा 5 से 4 टाइम का हो गया 5 से 4। इफ द वर्क फॉर रिटर्न 8 days and we started for day first, then how many days the work we completed? Do the work extra 5 days, we can do an extra 2 days. एक्चुअली 2 + 5 7, 2 + 2 3, तो एक्चुअली 5 कैसे आएगी? 0। एफिशिएंसी का है टाइम का रेशियो, ये है 5/4। सो हो गया है 4x + का 20 बराबर 5x + का 10, x बराबर 10, 10 + का 5 15, 10 + का 2 12, बी 12। ठीक है, नंबर 18 सी। बी वर्क स्टार्ट वर्क फर्स्ट, तो 12 15 जा 15 12 जा फर्स्ट देन 12, तो दोनों उन्होंने 27 काम किया। सो 81 काम किया कितना वर्क भी कंप्लीटेड। 9 से 20 9 3 20/3 20/3 40/3 3 कम 3 कैरी 13.3 दिन। When articles for Caesar loss incurred is more than profit and down centimeter will be not over the sun by when it turned on। एक बार पहले प्लान करते हैं। आओ टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट बॉयज प्लस गर्ल्स डिफरेंस बिटवीन नंबर ऑफ बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स। ठीक है, तो if we find out total girls class, total boy गर्ल, ठीक है, ABCDE, टोटल नंबर है 140 120 30 150 और 110 A+B। सो बॉयज स्टार्ट होता तो 80 80 70 60 40 40 70 50 30 60 तो 80 50 90 60 20 तो 60 60 50 10। ठीक है, if 20% of total girls in all classes got scholarship and the number of boys who got scholarship is even more than the number of boys who also got scholarship, how many students got scholarship? ठीक है, 20% of the total girls, so 50 100 150 और 120 270। टोटल गर्ल्स ऑल गॉट स्कॉलरशिप 20/5 5 5 25 2 गई 5 20 एंड नंबर ऑफ बॉयज स्कॉलरशिप इज 11/9 10/9। ठीक है, 60 लोगों को बॉयज को मिल गई है, 4 और 5 से 11 114 लोगों को मिली स्कॉलरशिप। In which student class is the percentage of boys more than 60% of the total number of students in the class? परसेंटेज बॉयज मोर देन 60% ऑफ टोटल। ई में कितना है? ई में टोटल 110 है, 60% 66 तो ज़्यादा है 9। सी में 30 66 से ज़्यादा है क्या? ज़्यादा 78 यस, सी में हैं, सी में है। डी में है क्या? 150 का 90 मोर देन 60% नहीं है भाई। If from class D and class E, 30% of boys and 20% of girls are absent, then in rest of the class, 10% of boys and 5% of girls are absent. Student present. ठीक है. If from class D, 30% of boys and are absent, 30% boys, 27 बच्चे absent हैं, 27, इसमें 3 जोड़ा 30, 60, 63 बच्चे present हैं, and 20% गर्ल्स आर absent, तो 40% है, 24 गर्ल्स present है. And in rest of the class, 10% of boys and 5% of girls are absent. Rest of 10% of boys are absent. 90% बच्चे आए हैं, 72 लोग आए हैं इसमें, 63 लोग आए हैं, 72 लोग आए हैं इसमें, 54 लोग आए हैं इसमें. And 5% of girls are absent. With 10% girls present, 1%. 5% बराबर 1/20, 20 3 57, 20 2.5, 2 है 48, 20, 2.5, 19, 38, व्यास. Then find the number of students present. 7 2 3 5, 5 2 7, 7 3 10, 7 14, एक कैरी, 8 6 14, 14 7 21, 6 27, 27 3 30, 32 3 24, ये हो गए. और गर्ल्स कितने होंगी, 7 से 14, 21, 28, 30 32, 2 3 कैरी, 3 8, 8 से 12, 12 4 16, 16 2 18, 18 2 20, 2 22, 24, 4 2 6, 2 2 4 और 7 3 5, 546 बच्चे टोटल थे. 552 मान सकते हो उसको. If in class B and class C, 40% of girls and 30% of boys appear their passes in a subject. In other classes, number of boys passes 50% of boys and girls passes 30% of girls, and overall boys percentage of all students. ठीक है. In class B and class C, 40% of girls and 40% of boys pass in subject. Subject B में 60% boys 742 पास हुए, C में भी 60% बच्चे पास हुए, तो इट्स 648 पास हुए, इसमें 40% पास होंगे, 5 का 20, 5 का 20 का पास होंगे. और इन अदर क्लासेस नंबर ऑफ बॉयज पास है 50% ऑफ बॉयज, तो 40 पास हो गए इसमें, 45 पास हो गए इसमें, 30 पास हो गए इसमें, एंड गर्ल्स पास है 30% ऑफ गर्ल्स, तो 18 पास होंगे इसमें, 18 पास होंगे इसमें, और 15 पास होंगे इसमें. तो एंड फाइंड ओवरऑल पास परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, पास परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स. और 10 + 15, एक कैरी, 5 4 8 12 16 20 पास हुए, और इसमें 8 16 16 2 20 3 23, तो कैरी 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 93 बच्चे इसमें हुए, तो 5 3 8, 298 बच्चे पास हुए आउट ऑफ. एंड ओवरऑल पास परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, तो 4 2 6 6 3 9 9 5 14 14 1 15, एक कैरी, 2 3 4 5 6, 650 आउट ऑफ 298. 5 से काटा, 13 5 65, 13 7 26, 3 39, 45% लगभग. From class A and class D, have score for find a wrong series. तो 5 ओके 9 9 3 27, 5 5 प्लस का 4, 9 3 27, इसका 5 छक्के 14 छक्के 15 28 42 56 70 84, 84 और 5 छक्के 30, 30 3 3 गुणे 515 माइनस 1, गुणे 3 माइनस का 1, 26 दूनी 52, 26 3 98 का 2, तो क्या है ये 13 में से 8 में से 1, 13 में से 8 9 5 गया, 10 में से 151 का है, 4 में से 8 गया 6, 5 में से 2, 126, 5 में से 1, 9 में से 6 गया 3, 131, और 6, 9 में 0 और 4 में 106, 5 गया 6 गया 5, 4 में 2 गया 2, 5, 6 5 और 2, 6 5 25, तो भाई ये गलत है। 131 से 26 आने में 26 का अंतर आ गया 14 6, 1138 गलत है भाई। 12 में से 1, प्लस का 8 माइनस का 9, ये 389 आ गया भाई क्योंकि ऑड है। Upon reset is rupees 331 for 2 साल at 20 rate of 5 for 2 साल at 20 rate बड़ा 5 20 40 44%, 44%, 144 बटा 100, 1331 44 के लिए हुआ 1331, 11 4 पे 11 11 11 11 जा 121, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट 25, 25 2 कैरी 25 में 50 2 52, 5 कैरी 25 में 25 3 है 25, एवरेज सिंपल इंटरेस्ट 1500 2 साल अंडर रेट ऑफ 20, 2 साल एट द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 7500 प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट, ठीक है। $7500, so quantity 1 is less than quantity 2 is greater than quantity 1. The selling price is 12,000 and profit 20% and cost price is 10%. 1000 cost price 10,000 cost price 18,000 profit discount is 25%, 75 3 बटा 4 तो 18 6 गुना तो 24 है इसका मार्क प्राइस। सो क्या है क्वांटिटी 2 इज ग्रेटर देन क्वांटिटी 1, यस। फाइंड टोटल ऑफ अनसोल्ड गुड्स फ्रॉम ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स टुगेदर, टोटल गुड्स मैन्युफैक्चर्ड, टोटल गुड नो गुड्स 2000 है, टोटल गुड्स सोल्ड, सो ए बी सी डी ई, ठीक है। तो 200 में से ए ने कितने बनाए 35%, 35 दूनी 70, 35 दूनी 70 बनाए हैं, बनाए मैन्युफैक्चर्ड और सोल्ड 35 दूनी 70 बनाए और बेचे कितने 70%, 49 बेचे। बी ने 80% बनाए, 80 दूनी 160, 160 बनाए बी ने। अच्छा बी ने कितने बनाए भाई, बी ने बनाए 15%, 15 दूनी 300, 3 बटा 20 30 बनाए, सॉरी 30 बनाए। बेचे कितने बी ने 80%, 24 बेचते ही। सी ने कितने बनाए 60% बनाया है, 120, सॉरी सी ने कितने बनाए, सॉरी सी का पता नहीं हमें। डी ने 30% बनाए, 20 थे 60, अच्छा 30% 20 थे 60, वो बेचे कितने 90, 9 चौके 54 बेच डाले इसने। सी ने 35 में 5 जोड़ा 40, 50, जैसे 80, 20% बनाए तो 20% 40 बनाए इसने हैं। तो और इसी ने बेचे कितने 60%, 6 24 बेच डाले। ठीक है, फाइंड टोटल ऑफ अनसोल्ड गुड्स फ्रॉम ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स टुगेदर। अनसोल्ड गुड्स ऑल डिपार्टमेंट 10 में हो गया 1, 50, 21, 24 में 6 गया 30, 16 गया 16, 30, 40 और 54 में 6 और 60, तो 6 6 12 12 और 6 1 7 7 6 12 18 1 19 कैरी, तो 4 49। The unsold goods from shop C are further characterized into two types: defective and non-defective. In the ratio 1:3, find the number of non-defective unsold goods from shop C. तो 3 4 16, 4 गुना 4 और 4 3 12, नॉन डिफेक्टिव गुड्स कितने हैं भाई 12। The number of unsold goods from shop A is what approximately percentage of the number of unsold goods from shop B. Unsold goods from shop A is what approximately percent of the number of sold goods from shop D. 7 21, 3 7 21, 3 एकम 3 3 4 7 18, 18 36 4 36 54. The average number of goods sold by B, C, and D is how much more or less than the total number of goods sold by shop A? The number of goods sold by shop B, C, D. 4 8 12 एक कैरी 2 4 5 5 में 10 2 2 3 is how much percent more 3 3 9 1 3 4 how much percentage how much more or less than the total number of goods manufactured by shop A? 70 6 36. Factors of total number of unsold items from shop A and D together to the total number of sold items from B and C together. Unsold items from shop A and D together. Sold items from B and C together. 27. 3 नंबर 27 3 42. CSA of a cylinder is 6160. The height of the cylinder is 35. CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH 2 cylinder 5 11 22 11 55 60 5 को 5 4 4 दूनी 8 9 10 11 आर वाली हो गई 28 रेडियस मैंने तो टी एच ऑफ सिलेंडर 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच टी एच ऑफ सिलेंडर 2 पाई आर आर प्लस एच 28 और 32 28 में 5 8 5 13 एक कैरी 4 और 2 6 63 7 9 दिया 9 2 72 2 4 4 में 8 आएगा 44 9 72 2 7 कैरी 18 20 25 8 है तो ये आएगा लगभग 40 40 प्लस 4 कर देगा 40 प्लस 4 4 दूनी 8 है और 4 पंजे 20 0 2 कैरी 4 दूनी 8 2 10 1008 1080 इसका 1008 सी। ठीक है, तो ये होगा लगभग अपना 11,000 के समथिंग। टीएससी ऑफ सिलेंडर 2 पाई आर आर प्लस एच 28 गुणे 63 11,000 समथिंग आया भाई। तो टीएससी ऑफ सिलेंडर 8 6 6 4 10 8 2 10 4 10 8 5 13 5 8 4 12 5 2 7 6 4 9 5 3 8 यही है पहला वाला। 30% रेट ऑफ कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट एक्स पे रुपीज 4600 बाई इंटू टू इंस्टॉलमेंट हटाओ इटरेट गोस एक्सप्रेस 20 मीटर लॉन्ग पासिस आर बोल इन 11 सेकंड प्रोसेस 20 सेकंड फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स 9 40 360 एयर goes downstream with the boat to some destination and returns upstream to replace in 8 घंटा if the speed of boat is 6 and the speed of boat is 3 different distance covered by d बराबर 3 9 प्लस का d बराबर 3 9 4 d 2 9 18 18 18 9 ओए यार सबमिट हो गया 8 friends are sitting around a separate table with 4 equal distance between them but not in the same order four of them are facing the center 4 of them are facing the O sits second to the right of R who faces the center O sits second to the right of R who sits the only one friend is sitting between O and N S sits third to the right of O S sits third to the right of N is sitting adjacent to O both combinations of S are facing both opposite to S both combinations are facing away from the center U and S ठीक है तो देखो S sits third to the right of O एक S sits third 1 2 3 N is sitting adjacent to S or NT M is sitting opposite to T on one is sitting between M and Q both Q and S facing away from the center immediate neighbor of S are facing opposite to S immediate neighbor of S are facing opposite to S अच्छा तो ये दोनों अंदर की तरफ देख रहे हैं तो अंदर की तरफ देख रहा है तो M N O P Q R S P Q ठीक है तो एक अंदर की तरफ दो अंदर की तरफ O भी अंदर की तरफ 3 और 4 हो गए तो बाहर की तरफ देख रहा होगा ये भी बाहर की तरफ देख रहा होगा 4 हो गए और चला फिर जब फिर इज द इमीडिएट नेबर ऑफ S P and N it is the following is the false in the given element P is sitting second to the right of N to the right of N yes R is sitting second to the left of O T and S are facing same direction T yeah it's no गलत हाँ S O R N P S बाहर की तरफ O R N S अलग है भाई and friends are sitting between S and R when counted from the left of S एक S and R 1 2 what is the neighbor of who is the neighbor of both M and S P how many pairs of letters are there not confusing each of which has letter between them in the word as they have between them in the English alphabet word confusion 3 15 14 6 U 21 19 9 15 14 नोट कर से 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 14 16 17 18 19 20 21 15 16 17 18 19 20 6 7 8 9 6 7 8 9 11 21 9 14 15 ठीक है 14 1 2 3 4 5 5 तो हो ही गए भाई 6 भी है क्या 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 10 11 12 13 14 15 19 20 21 22 23 21 6 7 8 9 14 15 5 ही है भाई 780 among 7 different roles in an IT companies what not in the same order ranking of the test 7 है भाई 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 where CTO is at the highest and intern at the lowest CTO director engineering manager senior developer junior developer support staff and intern there will be 7 different cities 1% designated between X and the person who is associated with Jaipur 2% designated between X and the person who is associated with Jaipur 2% designated between U and T The bus to Chennai and Kolkata are not immediate city or to each other. The one who is issued to Kolkata is 3 levels higher in destination than the one who is issued with Bangalore, Kolkata or Bangalore. V is 2 levels below W in destination. V is 2 levels below W in destination. W is the CTO and is issued with Shimla. Okay, W is CTO and Shimla. V is 2 levels below W in destination. The one who is issued below destination below Shimla developer is issued with Bangalore. Where is Bangalore? The one who is issued below Junior developer is issued with Bangalore. ये भी हो सकता है यार, ये भी हो सकता है. The one who is associated with Bangalore, Kolkata is 3 levels higher in destination than the one who is associated with Bangalore, Kolkata. 3 level higher. 1 2 3 कलकत्ता इसमें इधर आ गया, बेंगलोर इधर आ गया, 1 2 3 कलकत्ता इधर आ गया, W शिमला इधर आ गया, वी वी इधर ही अपना. The one holding the third lowest destination is Chennai. Third lowest is Chennai. That whose destination is higher than that of you is associated with Mumbai. Mumbai. Neither X not is associated with Chennai and Delhi. X or not is associated with Delhi. तो देखो, only 1% destination X and 1% is associated with Jaipur. X and the one Jaipur. Chennai and Delhi. The one holding the third one is that of you. This is with Mumbai. Mumbai इधर ही आएगा. So Z. Who is destination higher? Center of you is associated with Mumbai. Then not is associated with Chennai and Delhi. X and the person who is associated with Jaipur. तो जयपुर इधर आ गया, कलकत्ता आ गया. 2% destination between U and T. The person associated with Chennai and Kolkata are not even similar to each other. Chennai and Kolkata. Higher than that of you to Mumbai. Mumbai. University between X and person who is with Jaipur. भाई छोड़ो इसे, नहीं होगा ये. In the number dash, 1 is subtracted from each digit and 2 is subtracted from each digit before 8. When all digits appear immediately after prime number. ठीक है, each digit after 8 के बाद जो है इसमें 1 हटा दो and 2 is subtracted from each digit before 8. 2 is subtracted from each digit before 8. 3 7 से हो गया 5, 4 में तो हो गया 2, 8 3 में से हो गया. How many odd digits appear immediately after prime numbers? Prime number. How many odd digits number appear immediately after prime number? 1. एक 1 आएगा भाई. 10% live on different floors of 10-story building. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. U lives above B floor but not adjacent to T floor. T lives 3 floors above S floor. O lives just above P floor. Even number floor. Above floor 2. S lives on odd number floor but above floor 2. S इधर आ सकता है. 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 ठीक है. Only R lives adjacent to Q floor. O lives below R floor. N lives 2 floor above M floor. ठीक है. T lives 3 floors above S floor. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. You live above B floor but not adjacent to T floor. You live above B floor. O lives just above B floor. Even number floor. O lives just above P floors. Just above P floor. N lives 2 floor above M floor. Both M and N live on even number floor. M or N. N lives 2 floor above M floor. N lives 2 floor above M floor. Both M and N above V, but not adjacent to T floor. S floor. S lives on S lives on odd number floor but above floor 2. Only R lives adjacent to Q's floor. R lives adjacent to Q's floor. Q's floor, not possible. Why? There is always fake. So, here is about 1 to 2 floor. All is just above P's floors. Both M and N live on even number floor. N lives 2 floors above M floor. M and N live on even numbered floor. क्या M and N live on even numbered floor. O lives just above P's floor. U lives below. T lives 3 floors above S floor. O lives just above P's floor. तो ये हो गया. Which of the following does not form known to group R O S V N. R O S V N लगे भाई. Who lives just U above, just below U's floors. M. Dash lives 2 floor above N's floor. P. How many person live above P's floor? 1 2 3 4. Who lives on the bottommost floor? V. 9 individuals are purchasing different products. That's count one after another, but not necessarily as many individuals purchase between Q and R as between Q and X and Y. 9 1 2 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Between Q and R as between X and Y. At most 2 individuals purchase between Q and R. Who purchase before Q? Purchase between R and P. Who purchase immediately after X? 3 after Y. before S more than purchase between T and U who purchase after T. तो देखो at most two individuals purchase between Q and R who purchase before Q. Before Q से पहले खरीदा इसने. R में है before Q से पहले खरीदा. दो होंगे. Q को इधर बढ़ा दिया. ठीक है. As many individuals purchase between Q and R as between X and Y. बीच में दो लोग होंगे. At most two individuals purchase between Q and R. Only one individual purchase between R and B. Who purchase immediately after X. X and Y के बीच में कितने लोग हैं. जितने Q और X और Y के बीच में कितने लोग हैं. At most two individuals purchase between only one individual purchase between R and B. Who is after Z purchase 3 after Y. 3 after Y. 1 2 3. Q purchase 3 before S. 1 2 1 2 3. ठीक है. More than 3 individuals purchase between T and U. Who purchase after T. अब ये हो गया. In all arranged in reverse alphabetical order. How many remain in the same position? Reverse alphabetical order यानी कि UTS RQP ZYX all reverse alphabetical order कर दिए हमने. How many remain in the same position? सबसे पहले जो आता था रिवर्स आता. अच्छा तो रिवर्स ये कर दो. XYZ PQ RSTU. सो हैं तो एक 2 R purchase as the second person. How many will purchase before U? 2. Who on the following purchase 2 products before X? Product before X. Q. 1 2. The one who purchase immediately after Y. 3 products before Z. 4 Z. Purchase immediately after Y. Who on the following purchase 2 products before X? Q ने पहला purchase immediately after Y. Z T Y. The one who purchase 3 products before Z. As many individuals purchase between U and Z. As between S and U and Z. As between S and Y. There are 6 family members. All of them are here. ठीक है तो S में वो नहीं कर सकता. There are 6 family members. All of them are 100. She is older than only one person. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Older than only one person. N is younger than K and M not as young as J. N is younger than K and M but not as young as J. M is younger than only one person. M is younger than only one person. O is the oldest in the family. So O is the oldest in the family. O. Who is the youngest among them? जे हो सकता है, older than only one person, तो L is youngest. How much are younger than K? N is younger than K and M, not as young as J. Then K and M. How much younger than K? Younger than K, 1 2 3 4. ठीक है, तो अब हो गया अपना टाइम का ओवर। टाइम ओवर हो गया भाई, 2 पजल छूट गई और टेस्ट हो गया सबमिट। कितने नंबर आए? 40 42 45 56 56 नंबर आए भाई। यानी इंग्लिश में आए 40 में से 31 नंबर आए, मैथ 23 में से 13.5, रीजनिंग में आए 30 में से 11.25, 60 से 63 पड़ा भाई, 89.95% सक्सेसफुल आए। 60 65 तक पहुँचा यार, स्कोर तो मज़ा आए 65 तक। 60 से अगर अपने सबसे ज़्यादा तो 60 नंबर आ जाते आराम से, 16 साल में चले गए। 16 साल में सबसे रीजनिंग की कर आऊँगा। 60 से 63 कट ऑफ गई, 65 जाती है। ऐसे ऐसे पूरी कट ऑफ से कम है यार, कट ऑफ से कम है भाई। 60 63 कट ऑफ जाती है, 65 जाती है। तो चलो ये रहा स्कोर अपना।